made it in. Starting in Adventure World today. Because there's shows, and there's Frozen Land, and there's Tower that Noah loves. And it's our favourite place. No. We need some shade, don't we? But it could be a place to start at one of them. You found Woody and Sling?
Yeah.
Good spot. Shall we go to Tower?
Yeah, I really want to drop and scream!
Let's go see if we can do a bit of Tower of Terror then. Frozen Land! Not for right now, but soon.
I guess this is like the first 2 weeks that you pay people.
Yeah, it only just opened at half term. We were here last, we were like 3 days in, weren't we? Thank you for asking so nicely.
I just love Tower, it makes me so happy.
Right, first ride complete.
I don't believe that's 20 minutes now.
No, that looks longer now, doesn't it? In and off the ride in 25 minutes. Noah, what do you think of the ride? Wow.
Now can we do Power Walk?
We're going to walk down to Frozen Land now to see if we can find a snack.
Oh, I want to do Power Walk.
I know, and we will at some point. Parachutes. Left?
No, that's gate.
Adventure Way. We're heading down here to try and find a snack because we got up at 5:45 this morning, and it is now almost 3:30 in the afternoon, and we haven't really eaten anything majorly proper. We kind of shared a breakfast on the ferry, and that's about it. So we are in need of food. What do you think?
Decent.
Decent. They're not bad, are they? It was €9 and €6. A little bit off with the gold pass till they do that here. And it's just, I don't know what this building is. I think this is like some kind of restaurant-y type of thing. But it's, as you come into Adventure Bay round to the left, it's just
I thought you would be so jealous if we did that.
Well, I was, because while I was waiting for the food, these guys came and found a table. And where were the characters? Where did they come from? And they come in from round there, so they saw, go on, what before you saw?
Wendy, Peter, Mad Hatter, and Alice.
Which is pretty cool. So it's a nice little spot to sit. You might see some characters come past for free. After the chicken, there is over here a Minnie Mouse show. It's called the Dream Factory show. We've only seen it once before and it was pretty good. But it's due to start in about 10 minutes. We might be too late for it. Fingers crossed. They've made it in. Dad! We've just caught the Incredibles. Look, can you see them? Oh, it's just the mum and dad, Mr. and Mrs. Incredible. Wow. You can't go and meet them, but we can see them. Wave. Say bye.
Bye. Hi. I'm Mr. Incredible. I'm Mr. Incredible. Where are they going now?
That was cool, and I think we've made it in time for the show, because the show is just here. Look at them go.
We want to get back to
But, mais c'est pas possible, Gage. You're not helping. Sorry.
Je ne comprends pas, Penny.
I'm too shy for that.
Ne sois pas timide, Piper.
I'm finally.
We are back. Hello Disneyland Paris. There is the castle that is covered up. We can't even go through the dragon, can we?
The is open.
Oh, it's the side way open.
Yeah.
Oh, we finished the mini show. We've wandered out because the queues are big in there. The queues are busy in here. Oh my goodness, Noah's been obsessed with finding a map. He might well have just found one. Yay, we found a map. There is the scaffolded castle. Hey, it's still pretty good. I'm not being funny. People moan a lot about that.
You're not close to yet.
Yeah, but take a picture from here. You'll be fine. The amount of people like overreacting to the castle being slightly covered up at the bottom is nuts.
You know what we need? Portable freezer.
A portable freezer.
Yeah.
I need a portable shower right now. You know, Olaf's little snow cloud. That's what I could do with.
I don't even want a muffin.
Wow. It is, for context, we are here in May half term. Today's Wednesday, it's our first day here. And it is 32 degrees right now.
Going in here.
It has been like that all week at home in England. And it's going to be like this every day this week. And we are going to go find Rachel some Winnie the Pooh merch. Starting off with cute Winnie the Pooh there. So just released some new Winnie the Pooh stuff and Rachel has been itching to go and find it.
No, I can sit down after this read now.
We can go and do that, can't we?
Now.
On the other side of this shop now, there's some nice chairs, I reckon. So when we're through the shop, we'll sit on them. This is all the usual crockery and stuff. Some nice offers on it though. 4 for 18. It's quite good. Oh, hats. How much a hat? 30 euros for a hat.
25
I do need a hat though.
You want one?
Not today I don't, but I might be bought in the coming days. Winnie the Pooh shoulder buddy. That's cute. This is Rachel's idea of heaven. Winnie the Pooh. That's cute.
That matches my bag.
It does match your bag. You've got the backpack of it, haven't you?
Expensive though, it's 40 euros.
Oh, it's brand new, isn't it? Winnie the Pooh hats, Winnie the Pooh tops, Tigger blankets.
Tigger the bait. I found Tigger.
Suits you up.
Found Tigger.
However, this would suit her better. 1 second.
Tigger. No. I do not want that. Return. Noah would like that. Let's have a look.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, keep it now.
That might be a better option, you know.
We tried like 3 times to do this, didn't we? We never managed it. Star Tours has been completed. It was a really good set of videos. We had Grogu and the Mandalorian do a little talk a bit. Good, we got to see Jar Jar Binks. Go on.
If we go here, go
Yeah.
out and go into World of Disney at the cat on the way out.
Yeah,
Yeah?
that'll have something.
Yeah.
We are making our way back out this way.
Okay.
As it's been a very early start, so we have enjoyed ourselves here. Gonna go find a toy of the day for Noah, aren't we? And
We're gonna get stuck here though.
spot bits of parade. Come on, Noah. That's why we're going down here to see a little bit of it. And then get an early night.